this is the motorcycle stand. Show you how it works. And let's get the Bultaco out. So the important thing when putting your bike on the center stand is do not drop it. It's very easy to, when you're getting off a motorbike, to when you put your leg over, to hit things and fall over. So hold the bike on the brake, and when you're lifting your leg over, make sure that it clears everything at the back and hold the bike. Okay, that's all secure. This is the center stand. Most trail bikes either have a engine plate or just reinforced at the bottom. Right, center it up, kick down, lifts up and goes over center so it locks. Make sure the bike's secure. Voila! Right, center stand. So today I'm going to show you a new addition to the Bultaco. One of the issues with the Bultaco is the tank holds about a gallon, so that's good for about 30 or 40 miles. But you know, you really don't want to run out. It'd be a long push home. So the addition of the day is the 1 liter fuel tank. This is a aluminium water bottle specifically made for fuel. It says fuel, has a fill mark to leave expansion for hot expanding fuel. Comes in a special holder with lots of straps, so hopefully this is good on the back. Slightly concerned the cops won't like it, but it'll be good if I ever need that extra liter of fuel to get me home. I still have my leather tool bag on the back. Maybe I could show you with one hand what I have in here. So the oily rag, the emery cloth, the totally crap toolkit, the Bultaco plug spanner, which works for the tight clearance under a Bultaco, and this of course is the BP5ES/54 spark plug. And something that I've discovered, this is a new one, is that they come with a little brass topper on, and they're really hard to get off with your teeth. So for a spare, take the top off and store it in the box. And of course it's my goat bag. Whoa. Crap toolkit, emery cloth. Oh, the plug is also gapped, so we're ready to go. This little case is great. I mean, it's just good for a small case for a trial bike. It comes with lots of straps. It's pretty easy to put on. Goat skin, and this, maybe a bit wobbly, but goes around this rear section here, sitting on the mudguard. As I said, holds a liter for more Bultaco fun.